good, YouTube? It's your boy SS back. We back here with another video. And by the title, y'all see we finna be doing a quick POV in a pretty much straight pipe Camaro 6.2 liter V8. Yes. The only thing that's left on this car is my primary cats, which means that I deleted the mufflers, the resonators, secondary cats. So all I got is primary cats. That's the only thing holding this motherfucker from sounding like a beast. And by the way, the car do sound sick, so I hope y'all be able to tell in the video, but you know, video doesn't do it justice, so let's get to it. Y'all comment what type of car y'all driving in the comments, you know what I'm saying? But damn, hell yeah, I don't know if y'all seen that shit, but state boy, they is out. They is outside. Oh yeah, they outside. Y'all stay tuned though. Y'all can hear them burping, but them motherfuckers sound crazy. Yeah, like I said, y'all, she sound good, so if y'all plan on going like catless or whatever, I think y'all should do it, but like, the current setup I'm running, W setup, this motherfucker sound good. Definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. Yes, y'all see it. I was behind the same dude up there with that goddamn trailer. Come on, man. If y'all went away and saying that, because I like to listen to the car. Like, I just love when the car talks. You know what I'm saying? It sounds fucking amazing. But how y'all guys doing? I hope y'all enjoying the video. I ain't cutting up, you know what I'm saying? Just a little POV drive, so simple. You know what I'm saying? Like and comment if y'all want to goddamn. Y'all want me to go crazy. Damn, that car cars already. road that never driving the hell out of that Mustang. Hey, but it was so hot today. It was like 100 degrees. Bro, hot as hell. But yeah, I'm in on the video right here. It was a very short POV drive, you know what I'm saying? Like, comment down below if y'all want a more in detail video, you know what I'm saying? Later POVs, you know what I'm saying? Appreciate it for watching the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Your boy Sitting Back is out. Peace.